The good news about Jesus has come to Luke chapter 23 from verse 26 to verse 43. Same time them a lead with Jesus. Them grab Simon we come from Cyrene. Him did a come from country. Them force him to walk back at Jesus and carry the cross. Whole heap of people follow back at Jesus. And the woman them band them belly and a ball for him. Jesus turned round and said to them, say, woman from Jerusalem, no ball for me. Ball for yourself and for you pick me them. Because the day go come when people go and say, woman we can't have picnic, woman we never have picnic, and woman we never nurse no baby. And them bless. Then them will tell the mountain them, drop away. And them will tell the hill them, cover way up. If people do then sit near when tree green, what go happen when it dry up? Them carry two criminals fi go kill them same time with Jesus. When them catch at the place when name the skull, them nail up Jesus and the criminal them, pan the cross them. One pan the right hand side of Jesus and the other one pan him left. Jesus say, Father God, pardon them. Them no know what them a do. Then them throw dice for shear up Jesus' clothes. The people them will turn up one side and watch, and the ruler them did a scan Jesus. Them say, him save other people, make him save himself, if him are really Christ. The soldier them come and take Jesus down pricky and give him sour wine. And I say, if you are the king for the Jew them, save yourself. One sign did even over Jesus' head, we say, this are the Jew them king. One of the criminal them, where did hang upside of Jesus, start cuss him, say, you're not the Christ, save yourself and save we too. But the other criminals set him straight and say, you're not afraid of God, like oh you're dead like him. Them are punish the two away for what we do. So we are get what we deserve. But the man you not do nothing wrong. Then him say, Jesus, remember me when you come in your kingdom. Jesus said to him, say, may I tell you the truth. Today, you got the which part me there in a paradise. A God word this. Thank God.